In this video, we are going to use the ITW Dynamelt Simplicity Manual to find out what items are included in the Simplicity Master Pump Rebuild Kit. The Simplicity Pump Rebuild Kit is part number 150043. This kit will include air motor seal kit part number 109968, seal rod wiper part number 116068, and piston pump repair kit part number 117257. Now we will look at the exploded diagram and the bill of materials to find out what items come in the kits. First, let's look at the air motor seals. The air motor seal kit will come with the following: piston wear ring, part number 116073, item number 10C. Piston seal part number 116072, item number 10B. O-ring size 011, part number N00178, item number 23. Magnalube for the cylinder housing, part number 116619, item number 19. O-ring size 224, part number N06006, item number 9C. Rod seal, part number 116068, item number 9B. Valve gasket, part number 108379, item number 11C, and air motor cap gasket. The air motor cap gasket is not shown in the bill of materials. Part number 112126 is included in the air motor repair kit and includes the valve gasket item number 11C and the cylinder cap gasket. Now let's look at the piston pump repair kit part number 117257. This kit includes the following: inlet check valve assembly part number 116033, item number 2. This assembly includes items 2A through 2E shown in green. Ball bearing, part number 111339, item number 3B. Compression spring, part number 116023, item number 3C. Outlet check valve, part number 116024, item number 3D. Retaining ring, part number 116877, item 3E. Seal cartridge assembly, part number L16569. O-ring size 128, part number A69X134, item number 14. O-ring size 125, part number N03812, item number 15. TFE lube, part number 108700, item number 17. Here, we can see all the items that are included in the Master Repair Kit part number 150043 for piston pumps 150039.